Ready. Hi, I'm a funny girl. And I like you too. It's a silly thing, but it's stupid. There's one out there. Hi, Selena Gomez. Big fan. And hello to Justin Bieber. Big fan too. And my friend Madison. She's huge. Really huge. She'd be psyched to see you. But that won't happen, so if you could see her down, you can comment down there. Right down there. So, if you see this, Justin Bieber and Selena Gomez, please comment down there. Okay? Well, yeah. Well, that's pretty much it. Now, bye. How do I log out this thing? Oh, I found it. Okay, yeah. Bye-bye. Yeah.